Hello everyone, my name is Zui Zebra. Today we're gonna have a lot of fun in photo booth. We're gonna have a lot of fun pictures with my friend Peppa Pig. Hi everyone, my name is Peppa Pig. Today we're gonna take a lot of fun pictures with my friend Zui. Okay, let me see. Let's try to take pictures. Okay, let's go. I think we should stay here together and wait. 1, 2, 3. No. We should turn it around and check. What is this? Oh, it's small camera. Oh, let's press here and see what happens. Oh, it's a good camera. Okay, let's take more pictures. One, two, three. Oh wow, look. Let's try to take pictures here. Let's go. I'm first. Look, Peppa, I put my nose here. It's fun. Oh, I want to do it too. It's fun. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me try to stay here. Okay, more pictures, please. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It was fun, guys, wasn't it? Let's do it one more time. No, that's it. I'm tired, Peppa. Let's do something else. Okay, let's dance. It's time to dance now. Thank you guys for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye guys. Have a nice day. Mwah, mwah, mwah.